Hey there, how you doing? Charlie Winters here. Just let you know, I'm currently looking at today's horse racing and football selections. I've been missing for the last few days because I had to put myself first, and my chicken, which has been very ill. I'm currently looking at the football and horse racing selections now. Um, Apologies for not being there, but like I said, I need to put my chicken first and myself. I'll be having a bet, so like I said, I will be looking at the selections. Unfortunately, chicken passed away. It's something that is very close to me, so yeah. So even if you don't follow my selections today, I wish you the very best of luck. But I should be doing a video in a couple of hours' time when I can sit down, have a look through. Um, as I said, quick apologies, but yeah, I wish everybody the very, very best of luck and health, and I shall see you in a couple of hours. Cheers.